Hi everyone, this is Ms. Tahsuda-Nelson, and I am pleased to present a collaboration with the Ventura County Arts Council to host a series of poetry workshops in February on campus in the library. Poetry has the capacity to empower and heal. Now more than ever, as humans, we crave and need opportunities to express our thoughts, feelings, and experiences. So with the help of a published poet, Ventura College professor and master poet in the poet teacher in the classroom, Fernando Salinas, participants will gain personalized support so you can establish your own voice while creating an original poem. The poetry workshops will be held Wednesdays during second and third period in February. To sign up, fill out the form located on the flyer or at the website bit.ly/CIHS poetry. There is also a virtual workshop on Wednesday, February 8th at 5 p.m. A poetry workshop Google Classroom has been created for students. The join code is on the flyers located in the library. No previous poetry experience is needed to participate, and all grades and students are welcome. So we look forward to seeing you there. Please see me in the library for more information.
Hi, I'm Fernando Albert Salinas, author of Toxic Masculinity, published by Flower Song Press. I'm also a local professor here at Ventura College, the Literary Arts Program Coordinator for Ventura County Arts Council, and I've been coming to your schools for about 5 years now, preparing you for the poetry slams that are held throughout the district. I'll be coming to your schools to help you write 3-minute poems on the theme of hope, healing, and humor. Also preparing you to stand in front of audiences and recite these memorized poems so you have the opportunity to not only be published in the district-wide anthology, but win whatever prizes are made available to you this year. Other opportunities would be Poetry Out Loud, the national recitation competition where you memorize 3 poems and compete against other schools nationally for the prize of $20,000. I look forward to meeting all of you. Get your pencils and papers ready so we can write. I'll see you soon.